Yeah, you call for a plumber? I won't stop flushing? I think I know what I'm doing. I'll figure it out. I don't know what to do. It happens every time. Come on, you're an adult. You figure this out. Hey, Siri. Siri? Siri! Damn it.
Well, I take it you're having problems with your toilet.
Yes.
That's no fun, is it?
No.
The reason that you're here is because your toilet's running continuously. It's driving you nuts.
Yeah. Stop running. Stop it. It's still running. Shh. I gotta call my dad. Hey, what's up, Dad? Yeah, I'm good. I'm on the job again. How do you fix a toilet bowl? The bowl? What bowl? There's no balls in there. There's no balls in there, Dad. The third time this week I'm calling you about this. Dad, help me, please. No, I Googled it already. Yes, I did the YouTube thing. What's Mom making dinner? Okay, love you, bye. Figured it out. Come here. There's a little bit of acid on the floor. You just need a new toilet. The whole thing is broken. Maybe call a real plumber? Thanks for your service. I'll bill you.